Hello YouTube, hey, welcome to another unboxing on my Midlife Crisis Gaming 87 channel, and this is the Rode Wireless Go. I got this one just to upgrade my sound and my portability and everything, because without further ado, let me show you what we get out of the box. Boom, and it's all here on the table for you guys. Right out of the box we get this quick starter guide as well, and it will teach you how to start and all this. So it's actually pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Power button, microphone, USB-C connection. That's the transmitter. The receiver here, you will get you can use this is the headphone jack for, you want to put a mic or something like that. Again, it's the USB-C, the power button, the dB levels to control, and this is the receiver. You can check about all your connection and all this. Pretty nice, pretty straightforward. And how to connect. I mean, this is beautiful, isn't it? Ease of use, just one button each, and it just connects just like that. Okay guys, so why did I get this? Okay, first of all, look at that. This is so small. It's so small, guys. I mean, this will reduce my footprint of things all over my camera, because right now I'm using the Video Mic Pro by Rode as well. But I'm not saying that it's not a good microphone. It's big, and most of my shooting right now is mostly product reviews and maybe vlogging, outdoor testing and all this. But I won't be doing interviews and so on as of the moment. And even if I'm doing all that, the whole idea of me carrying out a small camera and with such a giant mic with the dead cat, and everybody's staring, I don't like that. So whereas this one's very subtle, and the sound quality on it is really fantastic. So this is the transmitter, this is the receiver. Look at that, it's beautiful. It looks scratchy because of the paper. I haven't peeled it off. But maybe we should, huh? So I'll just peel it off right now. Wow, look at that. Yeah, how about that? Very nice. Okay, so out of the box, what do we get? We have two USB-C cables, so you can charge them on the go with your power banks and so on. This is the TRRS cable. This is very nice. Two dead kittens, or the small windshields. Then a portable bag. Now this is why I love it. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. This Rode, alright, this Rode goes in like that. This is my portable kit with the cable, the wind muff like that, and alright, and probably the chargers, all that, and we go. You see, look at that. This is all I need for audio when I'm on the go. So I could be editing on my iPad to do voiceovers and so on, or I could be doing vlogging on my phone, and I can use this. And the best part is I can be doing vlogging on my Sony ZV-1, and I can be using this. And the best part is that its digital footprint is so small. Like I said, it's so small, and it's just like this. It fits in my pack just like that. Alright. The beautiful thing of why I also got this is that it's simple to use. And why do I say it's simple to use? Alright, right now I'm just gonna power it on. The power button is right here, so I'm gonna power it on. So we get the receiver on first. So let me put it properly so you guys can see. Okay, look at that. It's on, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right there. And this is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so now it's searching for the transmitter, so I'll on it as well. And ta-da! Just like that, instantaneous. Look at that, it's picking up my voice straight away. And ease of use is that I can just connect this. Now the only downside so far I find is that when I want to put on the dead kitten, right, it's actually pretty hard to put it on. This is where I was just lucky. But you look at that, just my finger pushing it on, so actually it wasn't put on properly. So that's the downside about this. But yeah, this is how it looks like. So I'll be connecting this on my t-shirt, whereas this one will be on my camera. And you know what's the beautiful thing? This clip it acts as a cold shoe mount on your camera, or any of those stands like my Ulanzi tripod mount and all this. And guys, this is really wonderful, really wonderful. So you can charge on the go with a USB-C, and you can use a portable charger. So this is why I like it as well. So I could be outside shooting, and you know, I could be running low power and all this. So I will just use the USB-C cables, and then boom, this is how I charge the things. Impressive, isn't it? So they're boasting 7 hours of work time on this. So the charge is about 2-3 hours to full. This is what is stated on the website. So yeah, so another thing is that we have these TRRS cables. Okay, now this is great because another thing why I want to use this is, like I said, I can use it with my mobile devices. I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro and an iPad 2018. So I edit off the iPad, and I use the phone sometimes to do videos. Sometimes I could be out and about and I'm not convenient to hold my camera all the time, even though how small it is, but your phone is always with you. So that is where this comes in. Alright, I got myself a TRS to TRRS adapter. Now this is very important. This is very important. Actually, I got the wrong one because actually I don't want too many things. It should be the SC7. So the SC4 still can work with your phones on your iPad, but this one goes straight into the dongle, and then this part goes straight into here. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So how do you know whether this is a TRS or TRRS? Oh shit, how do I pronounce it? TRRS, yeah, sorry. So you look at the TRRS one. There's three lines. So this is the TRRS, and this is the TRS. Just two. So this one goes straight into your iPhone dongle. You know, the one, the USB-C, the connector to lightning cable thing, the dongle. Then you plug in here, then this goes in here like that. So it goes straight into your iPhone, and voila, you can use the Rode Wireless Go with your iPhone or your iPad. Wonderful. Whereas the SE7, right, is actually the same thing as this, except there will be one side is the TRRS, one side is the TRRS. That's all. I'm gonna get that as well for more convenience and all that. Yeah, guys. Then another accessory which I got for myself is this little feather. Look at that. It's a magnetic clip. Now, wow, you can, wow, shit, that is hard, man. See, oh, okay. So I'll be connecting this to this actually. So I'll be using this. So it will go on like that. So when I'm clipping it on, let's say I'll be on my t-shirt like that, so it will, yeah, like that. So I don't even need to put it like clip it on, because if you clip it on your t-shirt it will sag and all that. But you know, I just got it because I thought it was pretty interesting. So yeah, guys, this is wonderful, isn't it? Yes, this is the Rode Wireless Go, guys. And another reason why I got this is because of the 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth. Now the really cool stuff, the nerdy stuff, is that this thing is a free bandwidth, so you can go to whatever country, you can vlog in whatever country. You're not gonna, you know, have any issues with their laws and everything, and that's really very cool. It's an all-in-one microphone because, like I said, you can use it to use it with your iPhone, with your lavalier mics. So, and then you can use it also as a shotgun mic, connecting a wireless solution for your shotgun mic, connecting to another mic on top of a stand, so that you don't want to have to show the mic in the scene when you're doing interviews and all that. And the best part is that it also has another option, which is you can do it as voiceovers and so on. So I thought I really like it. This is why I like it, and it's just so compact and slick. It's portability. I can just put this in my bag and go. You got no excuse not to have proper sound on the go. Alright, and the charging is superb. It's really ease of use. Its battery is lasting 7 hours, and wow, I'm blown away. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's my quick unboxing and first look of the Rode wireless Go. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it useful. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. You go a long way to helping the channel. Leave a comment below on what you think about this product and would you get it for yourself. I am completely blown away about it, but the dick kitten thing is already killing me. I'll probably get a Rode lav mic soon enough just to test it as well. I'll be doing a few testing videos and all this, and if you have anything you want to ask or what, just leave a comment down below. Thank you guys. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.